All right, coach. 3 points here. Pretty much close game. Last time you played them, result in turnover. What's your thoughts on the game today?
Funny game. I mean, 15 minutes before the halftime break. So we wanted a lot of intensity the first 15 minutes because we knew we had a break in 15 minutes time, so we could talk about it. We weren't satisfied at the halftime break about a couple of things that we'd have picked up in the 30 minutes that was abandoned. I thought we came back out, and one of the things that we wanted to do was to get the balls behind the Hydel defense and let them run a little bit. We knew that they rusted. They didn't play. They haven't played a game in a number of days now, so we figured that to have them running. So we needed to keep the ball a little bit longer. I thought we came back out second half and did a little bit better. And I thought it was overall a good performance. Albeit we have a lot of work to do, especially maintaining possession of the ball a little bit more, and some right decisions in terms of the final pass in the final third. But I thought we did well, and we did well to hang on to the 1 goal lead in the last 10 minutes when it came under a lot of pressure.
Coach, certainly the young squad, and apparently you guys are getting better each game you play. The mental aspect of that, as we know that it's easy to train, but what's the preparation like, the mental factor to get them at this level, right?
We've been doing that. Never a week that would have passed without a psychological session. We've been doing that. There will be one more tomorrow. We figure that mentally, especially when you are this young and lack the exposure, the mental capacity is very important. Also with the technical capacity. So we've been doing that, and we just remain grounded. We're not forgetting that it's a rebuilding process, and we just continue to grow. But I can assure you we'll continue to improve as the competition goes on. We figured that we needed about 2 more weeks before the start of the competition, so we were kind of a little bit behind in terms of our preparation. But I think slowly but surely we're getting there. But still we have some work to do, and we don't want to overpressure. These are average age 16, so we just want to continue the development process.
Last year, guys, faced it with a more sit back and counter type of football because they had like a desire shot. But this time, look to be more compact and try to retain possession. Is it the case you're trying to change the philosophy, or you want that's your philosophy to hold possession of the ball and create chances?
We wanted to hold possession a little bit more when we need to. So we want to play very effective. If we have to take 2 balls and get to the strikers, then so be it. But we want to build and maintain position and play through the lines a little bit more. And you'd have seen that a number of times, but it's still work in progress.
How proud are you to see where you start from, the result that you're seeing right now?
Very proud. The key thing, I don't think we are playing our best football yet, but we continue to improve. And once the team continues to improve, such a young team, we have to be proud. It's not something that we would have envisaged to be in this position at this stage, but I think the boys have deserved what they would have accomplished so far. So we just continue to work, and hopefully we can continue to improve as the competition goes on.
Coach, the first game that you played, obviously you got the 3 points after differentiation. How did the misrepresentation of Kingston College, and how did you prepare for this season, knowing that you wouldn't face the first game that you played?
The first game, albeit we were a depleted team before the start of the game. We were without about 6 or 7 of our regular starters, injuries, some glitches as it relates to registration, and then we played 75 minutes with 10 men. I thought we did pretty well with the 10 men, but we were very disappointed with the way we conceded the 4 goals. Meeting Hydel a second time, we were with 5 players that didn't play against them in the first game. So we know man-to-man we would match up a little bit better, albeit possibly one of the most experienced teams. So we knew that it was going to be a challenge, and it was a challenge today. It was a close game, and I expected that. But I think we did pretty well to have lasted the 90 minutes overall.
Are you pleased with the performance today? Is there more to see from Kingston?
There's more to see. We continue to improve. It's a developmental process. The boys are getting there slowly. And we're not forgetting the fact that they are young and inexperienced, and we just continue to build.
What's the mood in the camp? Does it feel like a winning year for Kingston College?
We're taking it game by game. As I said, it's a developmental process. We don't want to get ahead of ourselves. The next game is Tuesday against Calabar, so we're taking it one step at a time. Again, we're not forgetting that it's a developmental process, but we want to always compete in every game we play. And if this take we into a competitive situation, then so be it.
Congrats.
Yeah, man, no problem.